Tired of searching through endless Klaviyo menus just to change a font? Learn to update your brand typography in under 3 minutes. We'll start in the sidebar, then locate Media and Brand, adjust the styling, and save. Follow along with these quick steps. First, find the Content section in the sidebar. Click its drop-down arrow. Click Media and Brand. And then click on Review Brand Assets. Click the Styling drop-down. Look for the Body section. Within that, look for the Body Font setting. Click the Body Font drop-down. Scroll through the options and choose a font you like. Finally, click Save to apply your change. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.